Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we are going to start our new concept of countdown, making 10 on page number 9. Add the following. In this we learn how we can make 10 by using this number line. Here are some statements for you. You will solve these statements by using this number line. So the first one is 1 plus 9 is equal to 10. So how we get the number 10? Yes, you will stand on 1 and then you will move 9 numbers forward on the right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and the number we get is 10. So the answer is 10. In the next one, here is a blank box for you. Plus 10 is equal to 0. As the answer is same as in the statement, so we have learned in the previous class that there is one digit that doesn't change the value. Yes, 0 is the digit that doesn't affect the answer. So we will write 0 here in this box. The next one you will solve in the same method. Here is another statement for you. There is a blank box. Plus 6 is equal to 10. So what do you think? How you will solve this? You will stand on the 10 and then move towards the left side 6 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the number we get is 4. So the answer is 4. Yes, the answer is 4. So all the other you will solve in the same method by using this number line. So take away from 10. So you will stand on the 10 and you will jump 2 times as 2 is written here, and the answer will be the number you get. Just like that, I will jump 2 times. 1, 2. So the number we get is 8. So the answer is 8. Just like that, you will solve all of these. Here is another. E part is 10 minus, here is a blank box, is equal to 6. So again you will stand on the 10 and you will jump 6 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So which number we get? Yes, 4, and the answer is 4. Moving towards the next, this pair of hands has 10 fingers. You can see the 10 fingers. Look at the number in this grid. Some pair of number add up to 10. Find them and color them. 2 pairs have been done for you. Here are 2 pairs done for you. The numbers that make 10. Just like that, here is a pair. 7 plus 3 makes 10. So we color it with red. Just like that, here is also again a pair. 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. You will color it with red, and you will search the other pairs that make 10. Moving towards page number 11, do you remember big and small? In each pair, color the smaller one blue and the bigger one red. Here are some pictures for you. Here are 2 baskets. One is smaller and one is bigger. What do you think? Which one is the smaller? Yes, this one is the smaller. And this one is the bigger. So you will color the bigger with red and the smaller with blue. You will color in these pictures. Moving towards next, write bigger and smaller. One has been done for you. Here are again some picture on page number 12, and you will write bigger and smaller. Just like that, this helicopter is smaller, so we write smaller here, and this plane is bigger, so we write bigger here. Just like that, this air balloon is bigger. Yes, this is bigger, so you will write bigger here, and this balloon is smaller, you will write smaller here. This rabbit is smaller, so smaller here, and elephant is bigger, so you will write bigger here. You will solve the other in the same method. Do you remember long and short? In each pair, color the shorter one blue and the longer one red. Write longer and shorter. One has been done for you. Here are some pictures. In the first set, one is shorter and one is longer. You can see the shorter one and you can see the longer one. Same in the next one. Here is a shorter bat and here is a longer bat. So you will recognize the shorter and longer objects, and then you will write the, if it is longer, then here shorter, here the same you will write in these blanks. In each box, draw shorter or longer objects, then write the correct word below it. One has been done for you. In these pictures, you will draw the longer object because the shorter object is already present, so you will draw the longer. You can see just like that here, one is longer and one is shorter. In the same, the longer one is already drawn, you will draw the shorter one. Here you will draw the longer one. In this picture, you will again draw the longer one, and here you will draw the shorter one. So these are some objects for you. You will draw according to their need. Moving towards page number 15. Do you remember tall and short? Color the shorter blue and taller red. Then write taller and shorter. One has been done for you. Here are some objects. The one is taller and the other is shorter. You can see in this picture, this one is taller than this one, and this one is shorter than this one. So just like that, this one is taller and this one is shorter. This one is shorter and this one is taller. This one is taller and this one is shorter. This one is shorter and this one is taller. This one is taller and this one is shorter. So you will write in the blank spaces. So today you have learned about the concept of longer, shorter, bigger, smaller, taller and shorter, and another very important concept, how we can make 10. You will learn all the concepts and you will also write in the book as you have learned.